Hello everybody. Today we're going to take 629 and divide it by 9,215 using the flag dual adjunct division method. So let's get started. We're going to get set up with a vertical line here, followed by a horizontal line here, okay? Great, and this is going to help. I'm going to have a 9 right here, 2 and 5 over here, and then I'm going to have a 629 over here, and I'm going to show my steps this video. Okay, and we're going to find the positive rate. So I'll show my steps, let's say here. Okay, so 1, I'm going to say how many times is 69 going to 62? So I'm going to write it as a multiplication. 9 times 6 is 54, and then I have to add 8 to get to 62. Okay, so I'm going to put the 6 right here, corresponding to this, and there's 8 left over, so I put 8 right here. Okay, step 2 means I'm going to make one adjustment. So this is also going to help us out. I'm going to put my 2, and then 2, 1, and then 2, 1, 5, and then 2, 1, 5. You'll see the purpose of that. So I take my 62, I take my 89 right now. That's my adjusted dividend, gross dividend, and I need to make an adjustment to get my net dividend. So it's going to consist of 2 times 6 right here. The quotient figure is 12. So I subtract 12 and I get 77. Okay? Great. Step 3 is going to be how many times does 9 go into 77? So 9 times 8 is 72, and then I have to add 5 to get to 77. So I put a 8 right here, and then I put a 5 right here. Okay, great. Now we're going to make 2 adjustments. I have my gross dividend of 50, and I'm going to take my 21 and work with the 68, my 2 quotient figures so far, and I'm going to do a cross multiply. So I have 16 and 6, right? So minus 16 minus 6. That just turns out to 50 minus 22, which is 28. Okay, so great. I have my adjusted dividend figure. I'm ready to make the division now, but I'm going to write it in terms of multiplication. Okay, let me actually go up now. So I'm going to go up to show the steps. So let's do step 5 right here now. Okay, I have my 28, so I'm going to say how many times is 9 going to 28? So I say 9 times, I have to leave enough left over. So I'm going to say 9 times 2 is 18 plus 10. It's going to give me 28. Okay, so 9 times 2 is 18 plus 10 gives me 28. Now I make 3 adjustments, okay? So step 6, I'm going to take my 100, and it's going to consist of 2 times 2, 5 times 6, and 1 times 8. Okay, so I have 682, and we follow this pattern. Okay, so minus 4, minus 30, then minus 8. So these all add up to 42, and 100 minus 42 is 58. Okay, step 7. Let's make our division now. So I'm going to say 9 times, we have to make a lot of adjustments, and we're too close if we say 9 times 6 is 54. So let's say 9 times 5 is 45, then plus 13 is going to give me 58, okay? Great, so I'm going to put a 5 over here and a 13 over here, and we're ready to make 3 more adjustments. So I'm going to work with my recent from the right quotient figures, 825, and go like that, okay? So I have 10, 40, and 2. So 10 plus 40 is 50, 50 plus 2 is 52. So let's do 130 minus 50 to get 80, and then minus 2 is 78. How many times does 9 go into 78? Okay, and I would say probably 9 times 8 would be a good, okay? 9 times 8 is 72, and that should be good enough, okay? And there's 6 left over, okay? Let's stop there. Let's bring the decimal down here, and then we have to bring it over 3 spaces to the left, corresponding to the 3 flag digits. So the percent today is 6.8258%. Okay, good job. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the better.